Dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all to hear and see this video message. Today we are going to see significance of Shah Bano case in Uniform Civil Code discussion in India. Because of this brave woman Shah Bano, the Uniform Civil Code discussion going to be more in 80s. The Congress government deliberately to please Muslim men and vote politics made the amendment in the act. The description for this content I given in the description. You can go through and study. Significance of Shah Bano case. The frequent conflict between secular and religious authorities over the issue of Uniform Civil Code eventually decreased until the 1985 Shah Bano case. Bano was a 73-year-old woman who sought maintenance from her husband Ahmad Khan. He had divorced her after 40 years of marriage by triple Talaaq, saying, "I divorced you 3 times," and denied her regular maintenance. This sort of unilateral divorce, which discriminates against women, is permitted under the Muslim personal law. She was initially granted maintenance by the verdict of a local court in 1980. Khan, a lawyer himself, challenged this decision, taking it to the Supreme Court, saying that he had fulfilled all his obligations under the Islamic law. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Shah Bano in 1985 under the Maintenance of Wives, Children and Parents provision section 125 of the All India Criminal Code, which applied to all citizens irrespective of religion. It further recommended that a uniform civil code be set up. Besides her case, 2 other Muslim women had previously received maintenance under the Criminal Code in 1979 and 1980. The Shah Bano case soon became nationwide political issue and a widely debated controversy. While the liberal and progressive Indians as well as progressive Muslim women supported the Supreme Court judgments as being supportive of women, the All India Muslim Board defended the application of Muslim personal law, which was based on Sharia law, and denied divorced Muslim women the right to alimony. The judgment of the Supreme Court, which sought to offer protection to Muslim women, was argued to be an attack on Muslim personal law by conservative Muslims. The Orthodox Muslims felt that their communal identity was at stake if their personal laws were governed by the judiciary. Rajiv Gandhi Congress government, which previously had the support of Muslim minority, lost the local election in December 1985 because of its endorsement of the Supreme Court decision. The members of the Muslim board, including Khan, started a campaign for complete autonomy in their personal laws. It soon reached a national level by consulting legislators, ministers and journalists. The press played a considerable role in sensationalizing this incident. An independent Muslim parliament member proposed a bill to protect their personal law in the parliament. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Divorce Bill 1986 sought to make section 125 of Criminal Procedure Code inapplicable to Muslim women, which meant that the reversal of the Supreme Court judgment. Further, it also sought to legislate the alimony be paid by Muslim man only for a period of 90 days after the divorce was demanded by the Muslim husband. Reeling from the electoral defeat, the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Rajiv Gandhi reversed its previous position and supported this bill, while the liberal groups such as the left, Muslim liberals and women organizations strongly opposed it. The Muslim Women's Protection of Rights on Divorce was passed in 1986, which made section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code inapplicable to Muslim women. This was colossal defeat of liberal movements and protection of women in Indian society. The politician led to argument having two major sides, the Congress and Muslim conservatives versus the liberal groups, women organization and the left. In 1987, the Minister of Social Welfare Rajendra Kumari Vajpayee reported that no women were given maintenance by the Waqf Board in 1986. Women activists highlighted their legal status, and according to them, main problem is that there are many laws, but women are dominated not by secular laws, not by uniform civil laws, but by religious laws. The legal reversal of introducing the Muslim women law significantly hampered the nationwide women movement in the 1980s. Indian Muslim personal law required her husband to pay no alimony. The Chief Justice further ruled that in Shah Bano case, no authoritative text of Islam forbade the payment of regular maintenance to ex-wives. The Islamic feminist movement in India, for example, claimed that the issue with Muslim personal law in India is a historic and ongoing misinterpretation of the Quran. The feminists claimed that the Quran grants Muslim women rights that in practice are routinely denied to them by male Muslim ulama in India. They claim that the patriarchal interpretation of the Quran on the illiterate Muslim Indian masses is abusive, and they demand that they have a right to read the Quran for themselves and interpret in a woman-friendly way. India has no legal mechanism to accept or enforce the demands of these Islamic feminists over religious law. For the last 20 years, there is a demanding of codified Muslim laws, but no one has been listing whether the clergy or government. There is a disparity and discrimination that Muslim women are facing because they don't have rights like Hindu and Christian women, because Muslim personal laws are not reformed. Bible talks about Shah Bano case in Deuteronomy chapter 27 verse 19. Cursed is the one who, that is Congress political party, perverts justice for the foreigners, the fatherless and the widow, and all the people shall say Amen.